cooking with Molly and Molly's friend Sarah. We are going to do some Easter nests with little jelly. So, Molly's going to show you what we've been doing. What have we been doing?
We've melted the chocolates over a pot of simmering water. See?
Double boiler.
Ow.
It's a makeshift double boiler. It's not really that hot, but simmering water, and you're going to want to melt it until it's but one thing you need to know is you cannot use chocolate chips for this application. You have to use these candy melts because they have a little bit of a different ingredient structure to them, and they're going to harden at room temperature, and chocolate chips will not do that. You can help these harden up quicker by putting them in the fridge, but you don't have to. What else are we putting in there today? Oh, and this is a 14-ounce bag of candy melts. You can get these at Michael's, at Walmart, wherever.
Chinese noodles.
And we've got some Chinese noodles. And how big is that bag?
12 ounces.
12-ounce bag. All right.
Do I just put them in here?
Yep.
The whole thing?
The whole thing. And we can move the pot now. Move the pot back.
You need a bigger bowl.
Yeah, I know. And this bowl is a little bit more. I do need a bigger bowl. Oh, man. Okay.
Get those plastic ones up from these things.
No, I just probably need another spoon. I need to get it up from there. It goes. See, I need to get up from the bottom. And if you're doing this with your kids, you want to do this part. Otherwise, you will have a chocolate-covered kitchen. The next part I'm going to let the girls do. We're going to form these into little nests and put some jelly beans in them. And that, look, this ratio is just perfect. There's a 14-ounce bag of candy melts and a 12-ounce bag of Chinese noodles. So let's bring this over to the kitchen table. And I'm going to do one, and then I'm going to let Molly and Sarah do the rest.
How do we form them with our hands, right?
You can form them with your hands.
I'm going to watch them.
I think that's a great idea.
Me too!
I'm going to form one with a spoon. I'm going to get out about that much.
Okay.
There's my cake. Just like that. And I'm going to put and that chocolate, because the chocolate is melted, it's going to, those candies are going to stick in there. And that looks like a little egg. And you can do this by hand if you want, girls. I don't know. Yeah, it's not that hot. But I use 2 spoons.
Okay.
So go for it.
And just put whatever in.
Try to go down a little bit. There you go.
You want to do one?
Wow, that nest has a ton of eggs in it.
Yeah, I need. Yes, I can.
There you go. And you can just shake it. Oh, careful. You can't do it wrong. I mean, make it look like a nest.
I don't know how birds do this.
Birds do it with spit, not chocolate. Okay.
Okay, I think that's good.
I just want to add this.
Okay, so we're going to go form up these nests and we're going to come back when it's time to show you the finished product. Okay, we have an empty bowl and we have lots of birds' nests. Isn't that fun? This is a fun project to do with your kids because you can scoop it out and they can decorate it, and then, you know, in about 15 minutes you're going to have a really beautiful little, let's see if this is solid. It's not quite solid yet, but they're super cute and super fun. And you know what else you can do? What? This way?
Yeah.
Okay.
All three of us have
Okay.
candy.
Come on, guys. So this was Molly and Sarah's project. Micah watched. Micah's sitting over there. She didn't want to be on camera. So, Sarah, this is Molly, and I'm Noreen. And I hope that you try making these really fun bird's nests for Easter. Till next time, what do we say? We'll see ya!